Hello guys, I will show you three things on download Windows 10 free version ISO file, then how to make a bootable Windows 10, and final step how to install this Windows 10. Okay, let's do. At first open a browser, then download Windows 10. Windows 10 download. All time you follow original link like this link www.microsoft.com. This is original website. Time we should to download original website link. So click this microsoft.com. I need this download file. I need this create Windows 10 installation media. I need this. So click download now. Then download this so small file. Then open show folder and open. Right button click open or double click. Yes. This is Microsoft terms and condition. Accept. So select this create installation media USB flash drive ISO file for another PC. Use this option and next. Here the auto selection. This architecture 32-bit or 64-bit or both. So as usual makes architecture 64-bit. So I select 64-bit. The next and choose the media. I select ISO file, okay, because I will use my pen drive. So select ISO file, then next. Here the computer download section path. I select the download folder, then save. Downloading start. It's take a few minutes, like 10 or 20 or more. Just wait until finish the download. It's still downloading. Progress 96%, 97, 98, 99, 100%. Then verifying download. Verifying almost complete. 85, 86, 97, 98, 99 and 100%. Check my download. See drive is finished. Click finish. Here this is my Windows download ISO file. Here Windows ISO file. So now need another software for USB. Rufus. DOWNLOAD. Here you follow the original link rufus.io and go. Scroll down. Here This is download latest release 4.9. When you watch email update new version, no problem. Just a download. Click .exe file. Here download complete. Now plug in pen drive. Here this is my pen drive. Okay. Now install this Rufus software. Yes. So simple step is automatically detect my pen drive. At first you connect your pen drive, then open Rufus software. Then is auto detect. Then click this option. Select my ISO Windows file. Click select and go my download the Windows and open. Here is automatically selected. Now here is a important tip. Your partition drive MBR format. If your drive MBR format, you select MBR, then start. My partition format is GPT, so I select GPT, then start. Okay. Here is the very important. Your pen drive data will full format, so be careful. At first, backup your pen drive data if necessary or important file have. Or then okay, this warning. Delete it. Okay. Like complete 99.9 100%. 100% again, just to show ready file and start. Close. Check my pen drive. Here, this is my pen drive. Already is convert ISO Windows 10 bootable. So next step follow. After finish Windows 10 bootable, plug in USB port. Okay. Then restart your laptop power button. Then quick press escape. You will see this menu. Then arrow key, down below. Boot menu, F9. Select boot menu, then enter. Here. Now see the Samsung disk name UEFI Z flash mesh storage device, means this is my pen drive. So after select this pen drive, press enter. See, Windows installation is start. See the Windows pop-up, then next install. So if you buy your Windows key, then press your Windows key. I have no key, so I don't I don't have a product key. Then you select your choose version, like I like Windows 10 Pro. This is popular version. You can install this version. Select this Windows 10 Pro, then click next. Then check mark I accept the license term, then next. Select custom install Windows only advanced feature, like two feature. I select down feature custom. I have the on single partition. If you have a multiple disk part, you see the all list. Then you select disk 0, means your C drive, which install your Windows 10. Now I create a new drive for the Windows only 100 GB. Click new. Now I need to 100 GB. So 102400. This is 100 GB. Then apply. Okay. Now see, this is my 100 GB. This is the cache memory, this system cache and other cache. I have extra drive location. Press new, then apply. This is unallocated space, means this is no drive. So now my partition all complete. Select your choose drive, then go next. Here, this is Windows is running. Wait until finish 100%. So now we waiting. See, installation complete. It will automatically restart. USA my location. Okay, yes. Then this is your keyboard. My keyboard is English. Okay. Next, yes. Then you want to add secondary layout. No need to extra layout. Skip. I don't have internet. Then continue with limit setup. Set your own name. Then type your password. Here is the, you need to select security question. I set my own security question, my favorite peers. The second, choose next. This is third question. Then next, need to all off. This is no need. All checkbox off. Then accept. Just wait, don't turn off your PC. Almost there. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Windows 10. See my Windows. Now you will set up your necessary software and skin. I hope you enjoy my video. If it's helpful, please like, comments and subscribe my channel. If you face any problem, please contact me or comments. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.